Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by capturing a baseline, commit your current Leetcode solution, and push it so you can return later. Once done, reproduce the failing case with focused logs and a minimal input so you can step forward and backward. Make a new branch or checkpoint for the first hypothesis. This gives you a cheap time travel point. You'll avoid rework and gain the ability to bisect changes. Make sure to tag commits with short notes so you recall why you created each snapshot. Now use a binary search approach. Git bisect or manual checkpoint narrowing to find the change that caused the error. While bisecting, compare program state at checkpoints, inputs, globals, and random seeds because logic bugs often hide in state differences. Run minimal test subsets to keep each step fast and add targeted prints or debugger snapshots to capture values. Once you identify the offending change, you can annotate the commit, craft a fix branch, and rerun. Finish by implementing the fix on a fresh branch and rerunning your full test suite to confirm correctness. Then squash or clean commits before merging. If the problem persists, revert to the last known good checkpoint and repeat the bisect with refined tests. Sometimes the bug needs a tighter repro to reveal itself. Keep a small reproducible script and clear comments so you or teammates can time travel back to the same state later. One troubleshooting tip. If non-determinism blocks you, fix random seeds and environment variables first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.